So about 2 years ago, I decided to check out this resort, which was basically what used to be the Nickelodeon resort. Now, during my stay, I wasn't too happy just because of pricing, and a lot of the things that it advertised weren't really up and running yet. The biggest peeve I have about the resort is the resort fee itself. It's $49 a night, which I think is pretty wild compared to other resorts in the area. Last time I was here, I paid that $49 and the big jungle gym, which is part of the pool area, was closed.
The only thing that would make me never to come back here is that resort fee. Almost $50 a night, which is insane. I've stayed at different resorts that had even more amenities with still half the price of this resort fee. And on top of that, it's not like the water park, the big jungle gym thing was 100%.
Which suck because I'm paying for that. And additionally, there were some areas in the resort that were closed off due to renovations. Now I get it, it's going through the renovations because it's trying to clean out all that Nickelodeon stuff that was left over. And I did see that in the room as well. Compared to last time, a lot of the Nickelodeon theming has been removed. A lot of the orange lining around the walls where you could tell, there's like, yeah, this was the Nickelodeon resort. They removed that and added new theming, which makes the rooms look really nice now. And I have no gripes with the rooms. I think the rooms are very, very spacious, especially for a family. You can sleep up to 6 people in one of these 2 bedrooms. The bunk bedroom, with the bed at the bottom, is a double bed, not a twin bed. So you can sleep up to 2 people there. And there is spacious for somebody to sleep on the floor. The sofa outside is a pull-out couch, so you can sleep people there as well. So it is spacious. There is room for you to sleep in there. The only thing about the rooms is the walls are thin. Like they were thin in the last one. They were thin this time around. I don't think that's gonna change. You could hear almost everything that's going on around in the top floor or the bottom floor or outside. They're just thin walls. But aside from that, the rooms are really nice. I enjoyed my night last time I was there and this time I was there, right? Yes, I think there was a little bit of commotion in the last time I stayed at this resort, but this time around it looked cleaned up. A lot of the things felt cleaned up this time around, which felt really good. The pool area, and this is basically what you pay for, right? For the pool area. The water park that they sell with the big jungle gym, this time around it did actually work and it was functional. The only thing, the water was really, really cold. It was really, really cold compared to the rest of the pool. I don't know why, but regardless, no one cared. The thing was packed. Everybody was going in there, and this was one of those days that it's hot in Orlando. So everybody was at the pool. Now, just to keep you informed, if you're going to Orlando one of these hot days during the summers and you plan on staying at the pool as your day, go early. Get seats because seats become extremely limited. How limited? Let me just tell you this. While we were there, they ran out of towels. They had no more towels to give because that's how packed it was. We had to wait a little bit. When I mean a little bit, I'm talking about like 30 to 40 minutes to get more towels. It does get packed and it does get crazy and rowdy because it's just full of kids, but it's a hell of a time. The DJ was cool. Yes, they had a DJ. The DJ was playing, but they were also doing games for the kids. Water balloon fights, squirt guns. I don't know. It was madness. So it was really cool. It was a really nice, enjoyable stay at the pool. And that's what you pay for, right? So yes, I still think the $49 is hefty, but you pay the resort fees to enjoy these amenities. Another area that you could hang out in is the cafeteria area. I forgot the name. I don't know what it was called, but it's this huge space where they have all the restaurants, the arcade, coffee shop, a little small market where you can buy water and things like that. Just this nice little big area where you can kind of go in there and hang out. And they have little different spots. So they have like 2 arcade spots. One arcade is close to the movie theater. They have a movie theater. At least it looked like a movie theater. They had show times, but it was closed when we were there. So I'm pretty sure they only have selected times, but it's there. That was one area. And then another area where they have the bigger arcade, which I thought that was pretty cool. And then they also have little spots here and there for kids just to kind of hang out, run around and enjoy. And that's one of the benefits of this resort. This resort is family friendly. It's made for kids. I mean, it makes sense since it was made for Nickelodeon. So the structure, the way it's put together, it's made for families. And we had a hell of a time. We really enjoyed ourselves. Tidbit, they have a buffet in the morning, and this is something I don't think I've seen anywhere else, where kids actually eat for free. 2 kids per adult eat for free. I believe there was a policy. I'm gonna put a picture so you guys can see it. I think that was pretty cool, right? Because again, when you're traveling to Orlando and if you're trying to do this out of budget, right, to save as much as you can to enjoy it at the theme parks, this is one of those cool things that I think it's a perk that a lot of resorts don't have, where you get to feed your kids for free. Mind you, I'm just letting you know, the food, the quality of the food, it sucked. Like, I didn't like it, but the kids enjoyed it, right? The cereal, the waffles, all that, the eggs and toast, like, but overall, we had a phenomenal time. The stay was great. We had a lot of fun in the pool. We had a lot of fun in the arcade. We did enjoy ourselves in this resort. And this time around, it felt more polished. It felt a lot more cleaner. It felt a lot more organized compared to the last time I was there. So I really, really, really did enjoy the stay there. Now it's your turn. Have you been there before? Let us know. Comment down below. Until the next trip, stay safe.